Hi there, this is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. A lot of you already know who I am. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I'm just popping in today to tell you, have a Merry Christmas. Today is all about Jesus for me. Yes, there's the beauty of all the decorations and gift giving and all of that. And I think that that's all good and wonderful. But the true meaning of Christmas for me is the birth of Jesus Christ. And so today I will be celebrating his birth and just thinking about all the blessings I've had this year. Lots of blessings. And yes, it's been a year, people. It has been a year. There has been a lot of stuff that has gone on that has been really hard, really trying. And I feel like I've been blessed through it all to be able to maintain my job and my YouTube channel, and my husband has still had a job. And if you're struggling and you're out there and you're watching this and you're struggling either financially or with your health, we just want you to know that we are thinking of you and we are praying for you and your family, and that it is such a difficult time of the year to be going through some of the things we're going through in the face of the COVID pandemic. But I believe that as a world, we will grow stronger from this. We will be okay. We're going to come out on the other side of it. And we are all going to have learned a lot of really valuable lessons and hopefully take away some peace and blessings from the situation. I know we have had a few silver lining blessings, like slowing our life down a little bit and not having so many things to do and places to go all the time. That has been a big blessing, actually. And so I hope you find the silver linings also. And I hope that you have a beautiful, wonderful Merry Christmas. And I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.